Lucy, you're listening to J Park.
Yes, we listen to J Park.
Who got J Park? We got J Park. Hey! She was the last one to be still eating, so that's good. Where'd all that food go?
Somewhere.
Somewhere. The Luxembourg Garden, and we're gonna go to this fancy ass bakery, super famous bakery. They got these hot chocolates, they got these pastries. I don't eat pastries or chocolate, but my friends are meeting there, so I'm gonna, oh shit, better than that. Take a lot of dog poops on the side. This is lit though. This is the garden, this is the actual garden. Damn, look at all the Instagram people. Damn, Instagram squad. Alan, we're back at it again. We're in this fancy bakery. We've got this, what do you call this? Apple pie?
I don't know.
I have no idea.
You wanna cut it? You wanna cut it, Isabel?
Okay.
Cut it.
Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it.
Wait, will you pass me the fork? I don't want to like. How to cut this? Okay.
We're gonna destroy this masterpiece. Ooh. Oh, I should have taken it.
Oh, it cracked.
Oh, it cracked.
Keep
No.
going.
It's good, it's good, it's good.
Oh, there's a whole apple inside.
Oh, there's a whole apple inside?
Yeah. What? It's like a whole piece of an apple.
This is
Like a world.
this is actually
We're so fascinated by this. Oh, like it's like an apple mousse.
Oh damn.
oh damn. looks good though, looks good.
How to describe it?
What is it? How do you feel? How you feel?
It's like apple mousse with like nuts in it.
Holy shit.
This is Sam. Hi Sam.
Hi.
It's Alan.
What's up, YouTube world?
What's up YouTube? What's up world?
Wow.
This is the first bite, alright? No. It's apple, okay, it's good, it's good. It's not sweet, it's good. Love it, love it. Woo.
Damn, that was good. Yeah. I mean,
Business idea right here, business idea. Gotta import this to America, dude. Oh, that was a fancy bakery.
Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it.
Look at this nice scenery in the park. I think we're late. It starts at 11, and right now it's 1:30 in the afternoon. Okay, we're not late. Everybody's going there. I'm gonna get some of my friends there too. Wait, are they going? Where are they moving? Why are they moving? I think I saw my squad. We need to go up there. Saturday morning. Oh no, it's not morning anymore. It is 1 p.m.
That's my morning.
Oh man.
That's
Yeah,
my
it's still morning. We got Arno, we got Chris, Antonio, we got Antonio.
11, 12, 11.
Who's that? Who are you?
Cause there's nothing that can stand in our way. If you'd stay here, it'd be more than okay. Cause there's nothing that can stand in our way.
Betty's also filming. I'm gonna put my camera back. They're gonna be back there. outside again. Today we're gonna go see a wedding designer. She's super lit on Instagram. Yeah, right. We need to go here.
Heart filled with worries, no more. In a world full of sorrows, what for? You watch the world from the place beneath the willow, the willow. So many years, too many tears on your pillow, on your pillow.
Priscilla, hey, she Asian again. With that
I
black
was
hair
Asian
though.
in your other vlog.
No, you were not.
Isn't I?
Wanna go down? Down here? Go down here. Go down here. That is poop on the street. It is poop. Wanna try to step on it?
That's too big to be poo. It's like huge.
You underestimated people. Oh, my hair. Ooh. You wanna try? You wanna bet?
We're going to salsa.
What?
Like
oh
the
yeah,
sauce.
we're going to salsa.
Salsa sauce.
Salsa sauce.
Nah, it's like dancing. Oh look, the metro goes over there.
What metro? Oh, look at that. Look at that metro. Damn, Paris. Lucy, you were listening to J Park.
Yes, we listen to Jeppa.
Who got J Park? We got J Park. Hey, squad. Oh, my Asian bros. What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? Yo, this is lit. This is lit. J Park, bumping from here. Hey.
Is it the Asian party that you were gonna go to?
Yeah. I just introduced Priscilla to some K-pop. J Park.
I knew J Park.
You don't know J Park. I was like walking through. I'm like, who are they playing? They're playing Korean music, K-pop. I'm like, oh shit. Like I was like, who playing J Park? I'm like,
Is he singing Korean?
yeah.
English.
He sings in English and Korean too.
How do you understand him?
He has like English versions. You need to stop asking questions. You ask too many questions.
Listen to him and learn all his songs. Look at our squad.
Squad? No, we don't have a squad. We have a squad behind us, but they're not our squad. This is another spot in Paris that you can just sit over there. Look where we at on the map. We got like a little bit more though. We got like a bit more. I turned off the camera. We found the squad.
What's that smell? On you. Oh.
Ooh, you farted. Ooh.
Oh, what's that smell? Smell like.
Oh, it smells like ass.
You are.
Look at us, two single people. Our shadows are holding hands.
I thought you were really gonna hold my hand.
Oh really?
Oh, no.
You ever been here? You ever been here?
My first time.
This is my first time too. I've been hiding in my room for way too long. I think I know who that is.
I forgot. We have to talk.
So nice. A little bit cold but nice. You gonna go turn up more? Turn up?
Aren't you talking to yourself again?
Yeah.
Turn up. All the way up.
I didn't tell you I have this.
Lonely.
I'm so lonely. This
lonely.
camera's my girlfriend. Who that? This is Charlie back at it again.
Yo, what's up?
I'm camera shy a bit.
Why are you camera shy? Charlie always have the cutest Asian girls. Why though? Why? Bro, why? Why?
Oh, she's the cutest here.
Oh, she Vietnamese. Say
And
something.
I'm trash.
No, you're the Chinese girl.
Yeah, you're
You're that Chinese girl.
She's a
What do you want to say?
Hello.
This is Valentina.
Hola.
Hola. Wait, where's the other people? Oh,
Vlogger vibe.
This is the other side of the canal. Diana. Hey, Hey,
The model.
hey, the model.
Say you won't be mad.
Oh, she has a boyfriend. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Ha, that's cute.
Okay, let's all take it.
Oh, this Snapchat. Sorry, this is the new generation of
When you're single.
when you're single. Single in Paris. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Sushi. A lot of sushi. All you can eat. All you can eat.
Oh
I
shit.
better say, who can beat us? And you'll see how much we eat.
I'm going to a buffet, all you can eat sushi. Yeah, she's gonna be like, I'm gonna eat the whole restaurant. Doug the pug. We got some protesting going on, shit.
Wait till we get to there.
Gotta introduce them afar though. What are they doing? You read French? This is our bus. Is this our bus?
Yeah. No?
No, no. She was the last one to be still eating, so that's good. Where'd all that food go?
Somewhere.
Somewhere. Andy's calling. Andy's calling. Bro, I'm on my way.
Are you on your way? Because like where I am, actually I don't receive.
Bro, no, I'm like walking there, almost there. You winning? Yeah! Oh, you missed it.
Indonesia. Oh, where are you from? You're French?
Yo,
Got that camera, bro.
You girls
yo.
from? Yeah, from Paris.
Are you from Paris as well?
Yeah, I look like a French.
It's Vanessa. Hey,
Where are you from?
Indonesia.
Indonesia. What up, Jakarta? I thought
Yeah,
Jamaica.
what up?
Jamaica.
De tromper de sexe. C'est pas parce que tu n'es pas carré qu'automatiquement on va évoluer dans le même cercle. On n'a pas la même secte, on n'a pas la même sphère, loin de la planète Terre, pas la même atmosphère, en décalage horaire, on n'a pas les mêmes cerfs, bosse trop fort aux limites de l'extrême. J'aime l'effort mais le fond en express. 10 ans de sky, voici juste un extrait. Je vise les stars mais aussi les espèces. T'as pas la grinta, t'auras pas la...